The most dangerous anger comes from people with good hearts. They hold it in until one day they can't anymore. Don't push them too far. Other people, they don't want to show you they are hurt, but one day they show you that enough is enough. Sometimes you don't see them into your life again. So sometimes don't take advantage. Don't take it for granted that person have got a good heart. You can do whatever you want to do with a person. If you know those things you are doing, it's very painful. Why are you doing it for another person if you know that you feel that pain? So sometimes other people, they don't want to show you they are hurt. Even in relationship, you know that other people, they don't want to show you that maybe that person is hurt. You can see it, that person is hurt, but that person is pretending like maybe it's okay or what. So sometimes we have to feel that pain. If you feel the pain, that person is a human being. He feels the pain. So sometimes, guys, don't take it for granted. Sometimes that person have got a good heart. You can do whatever you want to do with them. So one day they say enough is enough. You don't see them into your life again. They will leave you. Because sometimes, guys, you can be patient. You saw maybe your partner is very patient with you. Maybe you are cheating or you are doing something disgusting most of the time. That person is very patient with you. But one day, you know those people who are very patient, one day they say enough is enough. They will leave you and never came back into your life most of the time, because they count it and they are not very short tempered. You know that a person who is very patient is very dangerous than a person who is very short tempered, because a short tempered person can be angry for a short time and come back, but a person who is very patient, that day that person is angry with you or says enough is enough, that person is not going to came back into your life, or that person is not going to trust you again. So sometimes, guys, be careful most of the time. Those who are dangerous are patient people who have got a lot of patience. When they lose their patience on you, or that person is lose patience on you, or lose patience in relationship, that relationship is over most of the time. Because, guys, they act like maybe they don't know what they are doing, those people, but they know what they are doing. They count it in their heart. They count it every time what you are doing, 1 2 3 1 2 3. But the day they say enough is enough, they will not going back to your life. So sometimes be careful on what you are doing with people, because other people, they don't want to show you they are angry. They can angry inside, and sometimes they have got control. They control themselves.